All right, that's the main power lead connected.
And the ground?
Secured. Just a bit more finesse here. Perfect. The sound of nostalgia.
The seat's secure now. Just need to tighten this last bracket.
The stitching is flawless now.
It's like new, maybe better.
Yeah, just to get kan what that's in that gown what her needs. Oh, and then get in there.
This is the most stubborn spot on the dash.
Okay.
I think it will come out with a little more pressure here. The rich patterns of the maple wood are truly brought to life in this light.
It's a perfect match for the interior.
Precision is key when installing these pieces. All right, let's see if this old girl still sings. Ah, there we go. Smooth as silk.
The perfect balance of craftsmanship and care.
The perfect fit.
That's beautiful.
Just the way it was in '63.
Just a final adjustment on the bezel.
Isn't she a beauty? Restored to perfection, every detail exactly as it was. Truly magnificent. That burl tree.
Craftsmanship here.
Just a bit more polish.
And it's here, you see every year where I go to just say part of it, you can see gold is when Braille being town rated and again it's see my daddy go to the rest of the right after we talk.
Restored beauty, a true classic, represents a new beginning, a symbol of endless possibilities, radiating contentment. Behold the crowning achievement of automotive restoration, a true classic reborn. Experience the details, the elegance, the history.
Spring lot, the purity is at start. People saw the tub we handle back in cases that we're in. Stunker says will get our water factor. I say that EPO, very hard water heaters.